Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you people a lot of things. So if you want to hear and learn, then watch this video till the end. Actually, on Monday, I couldn't create any video. I mean yesterday, because of some reason, my parents they had given me some work, which was field related work. So I didn't think that I would have to call off creating video. I thought I would return on time and then I would create video also, but I couldn't do it because when I returned at my home, I found that it was too late. So for that reason, I couldn't create any video. So today I'm here. Why I'm sharing with you people? Because thrice in a week I create my video on Monday and on Thursday and on Saturday. 3 days only I create my video, but today I'm creating because I couldn't do it yesterday. Okay, so it's not that much important, right? Let's come on the topic. Actually, many people they are confused about reading books. They say that does reading help us to improve our English? So the answer is yes. If you read books, so it will definitely help you to improve English language, and not only English language. Reading books can transform your life also. You know why I am saying this? Because it is happening with me. I was not same kind of girl. Okay, so once I started reading books, I found drastic change in my life, and I started speaking this language also little good way. Actually, when we read books, we come across a lot of new words and grammatical structures and all. So we will learn many things how to speak this language. But yes, we cannot deny the fact that speaking matters a lot. So you need to focus on speaking and listening too. But reading plays vital role. Okay, and I have heard from many language expert also. They were saying that if you want to learn this language, I mean especially English language, so you should start reading books. And there is one difficulty. When we are beginner, we don't know which book we should read, right? So let me tell you, my friend, as a beginner, I started reading kids books. Yes, because that's what I could understand. I remember when I started learning this language, so I picked up one book that was my niche book, and at that time she was studying in 5th standard. Okay, so I took her book and I started reading, and I wasn't able to understand all things also. See, if we are in 10th standard or like plus 2, and if we are unable to teach our younger brother and our niece nephew at our home, it's bit awkward, right? Once they come to us and when we are not able to teach them, or uh, just like whatever doubt they have, if we are not able to clear their doubt, it's not good. We don't feel good, right? So that was happening with me. uh, Especially it was happening with English language. I could make them understand about mathematics, about anything at the time, but I used to struggle with English language. Then I decided to learn this language, and once I decided to learn this language, then I started reading her book, and it was hard to understand, but I started reading. So in your case also, if you can't understand some books, then pick up easy one. Start reading kids books, because it will help you to understand vocabulary, and it will help you to understand grammar also, because they write in easy language so that kid they can understand. And if we want to learn this language, I would say that in one way we have to become kid. I'm not saying that you have to act like a kid. No, mentally people they hesitate to do this kind of thing, but no my friend, it will help you a lot. And see, if I had been egoistic, I would have told no, I would not read my niece book because I have already studied 12th standard, and I won't start reading her book. But no, I thought, what's wrong if I start reading her book, and then it will be helpful for me, and I may start reading some other books too. And really it happened. So don't think a lot, just start reading whatever you can understand. It will help you. But once you start reading kids books, so I know it will happen with you that you will start understanding, and after few months you will move forward. You will find a lot of improvement in your speaking. That's what was happening with me. So many people they ask, especially beginner, which kind of book should I read? So if at your home kids are there, then pick up their book and start reading. And I'm sure if you are Hindi medium or your medium is different, you will find difficulty in understanding their books too, because it was happening with me. Okay, but now it doesn't happen because a lot of vocabulary I know. But still I cannot say that 100% I can understand their book. Some words maybe I cannot understand. If I understand, or if I can understand grammar, I may not understand some vocabulary. For that I will have to search. So if I say that I can understand their book 100%, it would be wrong, right? Because how can I understand? Maybe they may have the different kind of vocabulary which I am unaware of. So that is why it happens. So yeah, if you are a beginner, start reading kids books. And later on when I finished her book, then I downloaded some app. Now I'm forgetting kids book, something like that. Some books were there, story type of books. I downloaded in my mobile from the Play Store, and I started reading many stories. Okay, after reading my niece book, then I started reading many stories, and afterward I started reading another kind of books, just like Atomic Habit and different kind of books I started reading, and I started understanding also. So if you want to understand while reading, you have to start from the easy one. But what we do, we start from the higher one. And I mean, just like if you are a beginner and you are just picking up Atomic Habit and you are finding it challenging to understand, so you may stop reading. You may think, okay, reading is very very difficult, I cannot go with it. So you should understand that we should start from the easy one, right? So whatever is easy for you, start with that one. If you can understand Atomic Habit or any kind of books, so just start with that one, nothing is wrong. I am saying it because I want to make your English learning journey easy, and I want to make your reading journey easy also. Okay, so we need to start from the easy one if we want to get mastery on something, or else we start from the difficult one, we face the challenges, we feel that it's very difficult, and then we end up stopping that particular work. It could be reading, practicing, or anything. Okay, so this is the thing. And I know it's a kind of ladder you have to climb, one by one. You just have to move this way if you want to move forward. Just have to go one by one. It's a kind of ladder. So if you want to understand reading, then you start with the easy one, and then you should pick up little difficult, and I know you will start understanding. And once you start reading books, I can assure my friend, your English will improve, and you will start speaking this language very good way, because you will learn a lot of vocabulary, plus you will have a lot of knowledge. So reading book can help you immensely. And for that, if you want to try and you want to have your own experience, then start reading. To be honest my friend, it will help you a lot, because it has been helping me a lot. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.